I just thought I'd show you something that you could do in your video to demonstrate to the kids. This will give you some idea of how we use all the different methods. The reason I'm showing you these different ways is because in children's brains, they have different ways of actually learning a task. Some things work for some kids, other things work for others. So a really effective method is to show them all different ways to come up to the same answer. Okay, so this is what I would do. This is a little game. So here's the first one. They make up different numbers and we turn this number over, and so that's 2. So I count out 1, 2. Okay, then I come over here and it's 3. So I count out, where'd all my beans go? Sorry. 1, 2, where's the third one? 3. Okay, so in this dish I have 2. In this dish I have 1, 2, 3. But I have none in this dish. So now if I take these 2, 1, 2, and I add 3. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when I added these ones together, now I have 5. So now we can look at our question. We had 2 plus 3, and we can write it down, okay? So we go 2 plus 3 equals, sorry, I'm trying to do this through the phone, 5. But let's look up here. Here we have 2. And we have 3. So does that mean, let's try that in our dishes, okay? So we're going to go here, 1, 2, 3, and in the other dish, we're going to do 1, 2. Do we get the same number when we add them together? Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. So that means in our first dish we had 3, in the second dish we had 2, so 3 plus 2 also equals 5. Now, students, this means this is a math sentence. 3 plus 2 equals 5, and 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's try it with 4, okay? So here, we're going to find our 4, and they can make a game out of this, okay? Where they try different combinations. 4, and I need my 1. Okay, there's 1. Let's turn that over. So in this one, we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this one, we'll put 1. And when we put them all into the dish together, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, yep, equals 5. So we can come over here, 4 plus 1 equals 5. Now, we had here, hang on, put our dishes here. We can also say, all we have to do is switch our dishes around. 1 plus 4. Oh, look at that. 4 plus 1. And they know now the answer is going to be 5, whichever way you do it. So 1 plus 4 and 4 plus 1. Now, what you could do at this point is you could write down one number sentence and ask them to make the other number sentence. So if you wrote down 4 plus 1, they would have to write down 1 plus 4, also equals 5. Okay? But what you want to get them doing as well, here's one of the other methods. This is the number line. Okay? So we have number 0. Here's number 1, right? Okay, so all they have to do is skip count. Okay, so if it's 1 plus 4, start at the 1. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 5. Okay? So, and again, if they started at the 4, plus 1 is 5. Okay? So you can show them the number line. One of the other ways that they could do this is by making dots. Okay? So in this case, it's using 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3, and they can count them. 1, 2 plus 3 equals 5, or 3 dots plus 2 equals 5. Over here, what they can do, color 2 squares. 1, 2. Then color 3 more squares. 1, 2, 3. How many are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So, and they could use different colors for this as well. All right? Then the last way that you could do this is using fingers. Okay? So if it's 2 plus 3, then we're going to show 3 fingers. And we start 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And you can do that with any number. If it's 4 plus 3, so we're going to start 4, and then we're going to show 3 fingers, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So that's an easy way for them to do it. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So just different ways that you can show it. It's very important that you do that, and it's also very important that they start their number sentences right from the beginning. Okay? Thanks. Bye.